What's going on, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video. Today's video, I want to give y'all an update on my ClickBank campaign that I've been running quite some time now, if you've been following my channel. But as you can see, today is the 25th, September 25th, and this is my Facebook Ads Manager dashboard, whatever you want to call it. It was updated 7 minutes ago. So let me refresh the table so I can show you how much I spent before I show you how much I made today. So we got 343 link clicks at 8 cents per click. I've been telling y'all, using my strategy inside my training, I've been paying no more than probably 10 cents per link click for quite some time now. So, you know, it does work across the board. And today we spent $29.14. Now, if I go to my ClickBank account, as you can see right here, we had 201 for the day, and it's only 7 o'clock, so we still got 5 hours left. Let me refresh the screen for those of you always wondering. Boom, still the same number. Let me do it again, and one more time. Boom, still the same number. So today we spent 29 and made 201, which is pretty good. And I did pause this campaign for about a good week. I was just doing a lot of stuff, just testing stuff with CPA, going back and forth to ClickBank, and for me to enable this campaign just a few days ago and still get the same numbers, just goes to show like this stuff is very, very easy and doable for the beginner or advanced affiliate. And if you want to learn how to do all this stuff in detail, you can go click the link in the description and pick up my elite course, man. It's still at the same price for now until I add in this section of training that I've been meaning to add in. So you got a chance right now to still get the elite course at the price that it is before it goes up. And this is pretty much what the members area look like. You could take a look on side. I know I go over the entire what's inside of each column inside the entry video once you get over here, and you can actually look and read this stuff right here if you want to, if you didn't want to watch the video. But that is pretty much that, man. I just want to give y'all an update on this campaign. Spent 29, made 200, and we spent 29 yesterday and made 60, so it's still a great day. But like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Any questions, comments, or concerns you might have. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click the bell icon to be notified when I release my future video. That's pretty much all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.